Hello my friends, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to the fam. My name is Ina. Today I'm going to show you how I went from this to this. Now before I'm going into it, I have to make a disclaimer. I am not a hairstylist or a hair professional, so I am just gonna share with you what I did at home and worked for me. Now last week I did bleach my roots. Unfortunately, it didn't lighten as much as I wanted to, turn to this like kind of ugly color, but I didn't want to do it right away. So I'm gonna show you today what I did and how I'm going to fix that. I'm definitely going to bleach the roots again because I need it lighter in order for all my color that I'm gonna get into my hair to be more sort of uniform. And there are a few things that we're gonna need today. First is the ball, our mixing ball. You can use anything that is plastic or ceramic, stay away from metals. And then our brush. I'm gonna start with parting my hair. I'm going to divide it in 4. Now for this, make sure you get a t-shirt that you don't need because you're gonna destroy it. I personally got a t-shirt from my husband that he doesn't use and doesn't like, so I can destroy it and I feel bad about it. Make sure you're putting the glove on both hands. Now, since I'm not gonna bleach my entire head, because really there is no need, there would be way too much. My hair is already way too damaged. I am going to apply it only on my roots. I am gonna use today a bleaching powder and specifically a BW2 from Clairol. And I'm going to be mixing it with a 30 volume developer from Salon. Of course, you don't need such a big bottle. Mixing ratio this time was 2 scoops of powder and 2.5 scoops of developer. I am mixing it really well. You basically want it to look like cake batter. Something like this. Now, since I'm not gonna bleach my entire head, because really there is no need, there would be way too much. My hair is already way too damaged. I am going to apply it only on my roots. I'm gonna do section by section. Alright guys, this is how it looks like after 15 minutes. I decided this is more than enough, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash it off. This is our result. Just gonna brush my hair. As you can tell, everything came out pretty uniform. Now a lot of people are doing it on a dry hair, however I decided to do it on a damp hair and see what happens. Now for this step I'm going to need a lot of conditioner, and I am gonna use today this one from Schwarzkopf, and we need those gloves back on. And as for the color today, I'm going to be using the color Indigo Blue from Adore. I am just gonna add a little bit of the color and then a lot of conditioner. So I'm gonna start with applying it all over my roots. I'm not gonna be exactly precise with it. The next step, I'm going to be using the same Indigo Blue, just pure color. And I'm starting with my bangs. I'm sectioning it, just the parts that I want to dye up front. And then as for the rest of the hair, I'm generously applying it at the end. And then whatever's left on my gloves, I'm blending it up. Then gathered it all under my shower cap and kept it on for over 2 hours. Because I used the conditioner as a base, I wasn't too worried about how long it would be on. And this is the final result, you guys. I got surprised on how well it turned out. I personally love it. Let me know in the comments down below if you like it. All the products that I used today, you can find them in the description box. Hope you found this video useful. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.